Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Ethan, and today we are going to talk about going to school.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Lily.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Today, we are talking about going to school.
Yes, it is a very interesting topic.
Do you like going to school?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like school?
I like school because I can learn many new things.
That is wonderful.
I also like meeting my friends.
Friends make school more fun.
Yes, I agree.
What time do you wake up on a school day?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I wash my face.
Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
After that, I take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
Sometimes I drink milk too.
Milk is good for your body.
Yes, my parents tell me that.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my school uniform.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it is simple and comfortable.
What color is your uniform?
It is white and blue.
Very nice.
Thank you.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you like the bus?
Yes, it is fun because I see many people.
How long is the trip?
About 20 minutes.
That is not too long.
Yes, it is a good distance.
Do you ever walk to school?
Sometimes, but only when the weather is nice.
I like walking too.
Walking is good exercise.
What do you do when you arrive at school?
I say hello to my friends.
That is very friendly.
Then I go to my classroom.
Do you arrive early?
Yes, I like arriving early.
Why?
Because I have time to prepare my books.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Why do you like English?
Because I want to talk with people from many countries.
That is a great reason.
English is very useful.
I agree.
I also enjoy reading simple English books.
That is excellent practice.
Yes, I learn many new words.
Let's learn one useful sentence today.
Great idea.
The sentence is, I go to school every day.
Many people use this sentence.
Let's say it together.
I go to school every day.
Very good.
Here is another example.
Please tell us.
My school starts at 8 o'clock.
That is another useful sentence.
Yes, it is easy to remember.
Let's talk about the word school.
School is a place where students learn.
Very simple and clear.
Now, let's learn another word.
What word?
Classroom.
A classroom is the room where students study.
Exactly.
One more word.
Teacher.
A teacher helps students learn.
That is right.
These are useful words for beginners.
Yes, you will hear them every day.
We hope they help you speak English with confidence.
Keep practicing a little every day.
We are now at school.
Yes, we are standing in front of the classroom.
The school looks very nice today.
It does. The weather is beautiful.
The sky is blue.
The sun is shining.
I can see many students.
Everyone looks happy.
Look, my friend is over there.
Let's say hello.
Hello, Anna.
Good morning, Anna.
Anna smiles at us.
She says, good morning.
That is very friendly.
Yes, it is always nice to greet people.
Do you always say good morning?
Yes, every school day.
It makes people feel happy.
I think so too.
Now we are walking to our classroom.
The hallway is clean.
There are many classrooms.
I hear students talking.
They are talking quietly.
The school is busy.
We arrive at our classroom.
The door is open.
Let's go inside.
Good idea.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Everyone answers together.
The classroom feels warm and friendly.
I put my backpack on my chair.
I take out my books.
I also take out my notebook.
Don't forget your pencil.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Our teacher is coming.
Everyone sits down.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
The teacher smiles.
She says, please sit down.
Our first class is English.
I am excited.
Me too.
The teacher writes on the board.
Today's lesson is about greetings.
That is easy for beginners.
The teacher asks a question.
How are you?
I answer, I am fine, thank you.
Great job.
Then she asks another student.
Everyone practices speaking.
Speaking every day is important.
Yes, practice makes us better.
Let's learn some useful school words.
Great idea.
The first word is classroom.
A classroom is where students study.
The second word is teacher.
A teacher helps students learn.
A third word is student.
A student goes to school.
The fourth word is desk.
A desk is where you write and read.
The fifth word is chair.
You sit on a chair.
Excellent.
These words are very useful.
Let's make some simple sentences.
Good idea.
I am a student.
My teacher is kind.
This is my desk.
My chair is blue.
We study in the classroom.
Very easy.
Now let's learn a little grammar.
Don't worry, it is simple.
We use I am.
Example, I am happy.
We use you are.
Example, you are my friend.
We use he is.
Example, he is a student.
We use she is.
Example, she is a teacher.
Great!
These sentences are very common.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
The word is classroom. Classroom.
Repeat after us.
Classroom.
Very good.
Next word, teacher. Teacher.
Repeat again.
Teacher.
Excellent.
One more. Student. Student.
Wonderful.
Now let's do a short listening practice.
Listen carefully.
I go to school every morning.
Did you hear the sentence?
Let's say it again.
I go to school every morning.
Very good.
Here is another one.
My teacher is very kind.
One more time.
My teacher is very kind.
Excellent listening practice.
You were doing great.
What about you?
What time do you go to school?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Our English class is almost finished.
Next, we will have a math class.
But first, let's take a short break.
Then we will continue our school day together.